The 1970 Ford Mustang Fastback is more than just a car. It's a time machine, a rolling tribute to an era when American muscle ruled the roads and style was just as important as performance. The name Mustang evokes images of roaring engines, burning, rubber, and the open road stretching endlessly ahead. And in 1970, Ford delivered one of the most iconic and aggressive designs to ever grace the Mustang lineage. Today, we're diving deep into what makes this car such a classic, from its design language to its engine options and everything in between. At first glance, the 1970 Mustang Fastback grabs your attention with its aggressive stance and sleek silhouette. The Fastback roofline sweeps elegantly toward the rear, giving it a sporty, aerodynamic profile. Compared to the 1969 model, the 1970 version received subtle but meaningful updates. The quad headlights were replaced by a cleaner, dual headlight design, and the grille was slightly recessed, giving the front end a more focused and intense look. The result was a car that looked as fast standing still as it did flying down the highway. One of the coolest features of the 1970 Mustang Fastback is how customizable it was. Buyers could choose from a wide range of colors, stripe packages, and trim levels. Whether you were into the basic sports roof or wanted to go all out with a Mach 1 or Boss Edition, Ford had something for everyone. The Mach 1 in particular was a fan favorite. It featured a distinctive shaker hood scoop, racing stripes, and performance upgrades that turned the Mustang into a real street warrior. Under the hood, the 1970 Mustang was no slouch. There were several engine options available, from the reliable 250 cubic inch inline-six for the economy-minded driver to the earth-shaking 428 Cobra Jet V8 for those who craved pure performance. The base V8 was a 302 cubic inch engine that delivered solid power, but the real stars were the big blocks. The 351 Cleveland and Windsor V8s were known for their durability and performance, offering horsepower in the 250 to 300 range. But if you really wanted to tear up the streets, the Boss 429 was the king of the hill. Built for homologation to compete in NASCAR, this engine was underrated at 375 horsepower, but real-world numbers often exceeded 500. It was a beast, plain and simple. Driving a 1970 Mustang Fastback is an experience like no other. The growl of the exhaust, the feel of the manual transmission clicking into gear, and the raw mechanical connection between you and the car. It's pure, unfiltered driving. There's no computer to step in, no traction control to save you. You're in control, for better or worse. And that's exactly what makes it so special. Every trip in a Mustang like this feels like an event. Even at a standstill, people stop and stare. It's not just transportation, it's rolling art with attitude. The interior of the 1970 Fastback was both sporty and comfortable. The dashboard was driver-focused, with easily readable gauges and a cockpit-like feel. High-back bucket seats offered support for spirited driving, while the optional wood grain trim and deluxe interior packages added a touch of luxury. The classic three-spoke steering wheel felt solid in your hands, and the long hood stretching out in front of you reminded you that you were driving something powerful. It wasn't about high-tech gadgets or digital screens. It was about the connection between man and machine. Another standout element of the 1970 Mustang was its suspension and handling. While it wasn't built to carve corners like a European sports car, Ford did make significant improvements over previous models. The front suspension was independent with coil springs, and the rear featured a solid axle with leaf springs. It was a setup that provided a good balance between comfort and performance, especially when combined with performance tires and upgraded shocks. In the Mach 1 and Boss models, the suspension was tuned even tighter, delivering better road feel and more confident handling, especially during aggressive driving. From a cultural standpoint, the 1970 Mustang Fastback played a major role in shaping the muscle car era. It was a symbol of rebellion, freedom, and American ingenuity. It showed up in movies, music videos, and was plastered across magazine covers. Young drivers wanted one, older drivers admired it, and even people who weren't into cars respected it. It wasn't just a vehicle, it was a lifestyle. And that's What made it such an enduring icon? Even today, more than 5 decades later, the 1970 Fastback continues to turn heads. Classic car collectors seek them out, restorers pour their hearts into bringing them back to life, and enthusiasts keep the spirit alive at car shows and meetups around the world. The market for these cars remains strong, especially for well-maintained or restored examples. The Boss models in particular have skyrocketed in value, with some selling for 6 figures depending on condition and originality. But even a base model, when restored properly, can deliver smiles per mile that are hard to match with anything modern. Part of the appeal lies in the simplicity. There's no infotainment system, no drive modes, no digital nanny to interfere. It's just you, the engine and the road. That mechanical purity is something modern cars, for all their technological advancements, simply can't replicate. When you fire up a 1970 Mustang Fastback, you feel it in your bones. The vibration of the engine, the scent of unburned fuel, the slight shake of the steering wheel. It's a visceral reminder of what driving used to be. Restoring a 1970 Mustang can be a labor of love. From sourcing authentic parts to choosing the right paint color, every decision feels important. And the community around these cars is incredible. There are forums, clubs, and events dedicated entirely to the Mustang legacy. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a weekend wrench turner, there's a place for you in the Mustang family. Looking back, the 1970 model year was something of a turning point. The muscle car era was at its peak, but the writing was on the wall. Emissions regulations, insurance hikes, and the oil crisis of the early 70s would soon change everything. That makes the 1970 Mustang Fastback one of the last true expressions of unbridled muscle before the industry had to shift focus. It's a final roar before the storm, a masterpiece born at the peak of its time. So whether you admire it for its looks, its sound, its performance, or what it represents, there's no denying that the 1970 Ford Mustang Fastback is a legend. It's a car that captures the spirit of an entire generation and continues to inspire car lovers today. If you ever get a chance to drive one, take it. If you see one at a show, stop and admire it. And if you own one, consider yourself lucky. You're holding a piece of history. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this look back at the 1970 Mustang Fastback, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about your favorite classic car. See you next time, and keep the passion for the classics alive.